Welcome to RescueGroups.org. Today we are discussing how to update organization contact and billing information. Before we start, let's take a minute to discuss roles and permissions. Any person in your organization who is assigned at least the base level volunteer role will be able to view what services your organization has with RescueGroups.org. However, changing your services or updating contact information must be done by a site admin. When your organization's account was created, the person who was given full administrative permissions was given the role site admin. That person can then grant permission and assign roles to other volunteers, including more site admins. If needed, you can find more information on roles by referencing our user guide. When we talk about updating contact information, we are discussing email addresses, mailing addresses, phone numbers, other contact information, and billing addresses. Some things like email, mailing address, and phone numbers you can also choose to make public if desired. Now that we have established what you can update, let's go to how. Log into your account at RescueGroups.org. From there, click on the Services link to the right. This opens up a new menu, and from there, click Account Administration. This brings up a new page. From this page, you can either click on the Contact Information in the blue bar at the top, or Organization Contact Information link in the list at the bottom. This is where you go to change most contact information. We'll get to changing billing information later. Now that we clicked on Contact Information in the blue bar at the top or Organization Contact link at the bottom, we are brought to this contact information page seen here. We are seeing the first half under General Information. First, you can see where you can change your mailing address and whether or not that information is made public. A little further down, you can see phone number and whether that information is made public. Finally, there is an email and whether or not that information is made public. Now let's look at the additional information that can be updated. Here you can update information such as your website URL, Facebook URL, and incorporation status. Once you have both updated the general information like phone number and address, as well as any additional information, be sure to click Save at the bottom. Note that all of this information is public except the last two questions, which are about euthanasia and shelter software. Now we've updated everything but billing information, so let's talk about how to do that. Again, we have to go to Services, and then Account Administration to bring up the account administration choices. This time, once we pull up the menu, select Billing Information either in the blue bar at the top or the links at the bottom. This is where you go to change the email or emails used for billing notifications. From the Billing Information link, we are brought to a simple form where you can change what emails you want to be notified of any billing notifications. Note the directions at the bottom for adding multiple emails, which says to separate the emails with a comma. Once you've updated your email or emails, be sure to click Save at the bottom. This concludes our overview for updating contact and billing information. Thank you for choosing RescueGroups.org. As always, RescueGroups.org is here for you. Feel free to contact support if you need help or have questions about any of our RescueGroups.org services.